COVID-19 has turned the world upside down. Until there is a vaccine, it's up to us to stay safe and healthy. Regular testing plays a big part in preventing the spread of the virus. But let's be honest, the system is far from perfect. Waiting times at drive-through testing facilities can be as long as 6 hours, which is torture if you're sick. Not to mention the 7 to 14 days it takes to get your results. And in the meantime, people are out of work. We need a faster, safer and more efficient way to test for COVID-19. And that's exactly what scientists at QuorumX Diagnostics have created. They've been working day and night, introducing the at-home COVID antigen test. It's a simple and quick test to get accurate results about your COVID-19 status right from the privacy of your home. Just swab your nose, put your sample on the test strip, and wait 15 minutes for your results. That's easy, I can do that. No prescription is needed, and it comes with an app, AI technology analysis, telemedicine, and contact tracing. Now we need your help to bring this urgently needed test to the market. Support our campaign. Together, let's take charge of our health and stop the spread of COVID-19.